Travessa dos prazeres, já não vão. Street names of Macau, Prazeres means pleasure, Zandvoort means smooth sailing, a lay of pleasures, smooth sailing land. Oh, streets of Macau. Oh, streets of Macau. Travessa dos prazeres. Oh, travessa dos prazeres. What a lovely place, what an exotic place. Streets of Macau. Oh, streets of Macau. Travessa dos prazeres. Oh, travessa dos prazeres.
Okay, so this is Travessa dos Prazeres. This is what it looks like. We're not too far from Mongha. We are in Mongha. This is Fabrica as well. And we also have this kind of cool little thing. We're gonna start and just kind of show you a little bit of that. It goes up in the that temple area. Anyways, this is our street. Let's put it up on the map before we get started. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So this is our street. It's kind of short, but we're going to connect it into this street right here. So this one has this beautiful park. There's even a little shrine. This is Temple Lin Fong Street. I haven't filmed it in a while, but I do kind of want to show you this one. Let's just kind of walk up a little bit. And this goes, there's a beautiful park up here. It's right here, Mongha. I have filmed it before, but in my effort to film all the different streets in Macau, I do want to capture our particular street, which is Prazeres, but you can go up here, all the way up, and there's a nice little fortress up there and everything. Okay, so we're on the back side, and there's a temple over here called Lin Fong. I think it's right over here. It's really small. It's kind of cool though. There it is. Beautiful. Very active. Smell of incense. Okay, so that's at the base of our Prazeres street. And that's at Mongha, the backside of Mongha. And now we're gonna go down Prazeres. Down that way is a Triangle Park, like directly down that way. And this is our target street right here, Prazeres. We're just gonna walk down the middle of it. It's kind of cool. There's some nice, interesting little rooftops like way up at the top, especially that one. Let me see here. It's kind of a quiet street too. We're parallel to a street that's would be very busy with a lot of people. So we're gonna probably come out that way in a minute. But our target street is quite quiet. Here's our little shrine. Kind of cool. You have these everywhere in Macau. Aeropreta. So we're in this Aeropreta neighborhood. So that's street Aeropreta, but that's our target street right there. Prazeres. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going down. We got some kind of interesting older houses down at the base of it. We'll just go all the way down, check all these out. Kind of interesting. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom. It's kind of cool because they have all these, you can see these little cars with the top right up in there. Oh, there's a Mona Lisa right there. Yeah, that's funny. All these different car parts and those ones that kind of weight it down as well. Really interesting. And that kind of goes right up into the hill. So there's a fence right there. And then you can see part of our Mongha trails. All the tall buildings in the background. Okay, so that's Prazeres. The street sign is right there again. Prazeres. Kind of interesting. Okay, so another slice of Macau there for you. Prazeres.